Alright, whatever vlog this is, I think it's like the fourth one. Easy day today. Only have 13 bags, 208 packages. So me personally, I'm expecting to be done by 3, no later than 3:30. But I have 132 stops, so that's not very many, and I already looked. Most of them are grouped together. I have 1, 2, 3, only like 2 that are kind of far from each other, but those are my first couple stops. And this is what my van looks like at the beginning of the day. Kind of already organized the first tote bag thing, and I have very little overflow, so my loadout was literally like 5 minutes. But yeah, boy. He's a good boy. Look at him. It's one of the things you got to deal with is dogs. But me personally, I don't have a problem with dogs. I'm about to run into a road closed. Hopefully they let me through. If not, it's gonna be about a 10 to 15 minute delay for me. So let's see what happens. It looks like we're all clear, so no delay. On the previous vlog, this is where I had one of my delays that I couldn't get through this road, so I had to go all the way around, and like I said, that's about 10 to 15 minute delay or detour. But today we got through, so we're all good. I think this is gonna be it for a while. It's already 11. I want to get ahead by a lot, so like I said, the goal is still 3:30. It's 2:30, and I got 27 more to go. So I'm right on schedule. Well, I kind of wanted to be done right now, but I'm not. It is what it is. 133 successful. I'll call in dispatch and see what's next. Oh, the sun's in the way. Oh, and today I was in the white van, as you can see. Me personally, I hate being in the white van, even though I don't have no camera. I'm not being monitored other than on the phone. But still, me personally, I'd rather be in the Amazon branded vans that have the shelves than these. These, I always hit my head up here, and then I have a hard time fitting through the seats, and it's just awkward for myself. But it is what it is. Like I said, this is the white van, and it's not the Mercedes, it's the Ram ProMaster, and this is a 1500. The other ones, the branded ones, are 2500s, and I feel like those are bigger and better. Oh man, I hate this. Dispatch didn't answer, so I'm gonna sit here for like 5 minutes. Oh, they're calling back. Hold on. This is what I hate. I just did 133 stops. Now I have to go pick up someone else's route, and they have about 100 stops left. So that sucks. And like I was saying, I have plans, but it is what it is. 3:36. All right, I'm back. And positive note, I'm in a blue van. But this is why I don't like picking up other people's routes, because I don't know how they organized it or anything. And the way I do it, specifically to me, I don't even know what to say other than I'm annoyed. But oh well, let's get started. Oh man, the lighting's kind of bad in here, but I'm done, finished with the 100 extra stops. They gave me a water bottle. Just kidding, I didn't do 100 stops or the 100 extra. Basically, to break it down, I'm not sure what was going on, and I don't want to really get into it in this video, or I don't really want to get into it. But the guy was having some issues, and they sent him home. Me and two other guys went and picked up the route. Well, I picked it up first and worked it for a little bit, and then two other guys came and took some of the stops. I think in total I ended up doing like 90 stops in total, so that's not too bad. It's 7 o'clock. Oh, but before 7 o'clock. I clocked out like 15 minutes ago, but like I said, they gave me this water bottle for helping out and some other stuff. But yeah, so this concludes this video. Let me see. Oh, some final thoughts. I don't really like to pick up I mean, I like to go help, but I'd rather put them in my van rather than take someone else's van like I did today. Because I mean, nothing was organized, nothing was in order, and it's just part of the job. You know, me personally, again, I'd rather help and stay on the clock than not help and be at home. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, or this vlog. Come back for the next one.